Hi guys, welcome back to your Not So Ordinary Scrapbook channel. Today I'm going to show you how far I've come in my December daily so far. I have not done any journaling yet, but I wanted to show you a little bit of what I have done. The last time that I worked in this was at my parents' house when I was in Missouri. I don't want that string to come off. I did glue it, but I wanted to show you, I really didn't get to work on it too much at their house. I did plan to work on it more this weekend. I have not had a chance to. We've been quite busy. We've had the grandkids over. We've had just a lot of running around to do errands and chores and working on some other stuff. So, but I thought that I would try to show you how far I've come in my album because I want to get it done. I would like to get it done by next week, but I don't know if that's being overly ambitious or not. I'm not sure. So I ended up putting this card in here, and then I'm going to, and I just put December 2021, and then this is a clear piece of acetate. I don't know why that's there. That just has like an angel, like angels over and over on it, and it's just kind of an overlay. I didn't put anything on it. This is day one. I used a puffy sticker. These are all the advent calendars. This is the one we got Jordan. This is the one that we got Hunter. And then this one is Ethan's. And then that one was mine. Ow. And this one has like a pull-out card. So how I did this is I did page, this is day one. Oh, and then I went, day two is here in the card, or in the envelope, or what is this called? Pocket, I guess. And this was like our first delivery of Christmas packages to arrive in the mail. These are some books and magazines that I picked up at Barnes & Noble. So that's day three. And then day four is we watched Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Ethan and I did. We have the DVD. And then this one is we put up our tree on day 5, which is just basically what I do every year. Next year, I think I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Some cookies. This was my graduation day on the 6th. The 7th, this is a book I was reading, which I put choose crazy because that book was crazy. It was a little bit insane for me. So if you like shopping, you would really enjoy this book. Let's just say that. Okay, so I continued day 7. So this was, I was reading this book, and then this is our Santa that counts. It's like an Advent that counts down to Christmas, 18 days till Christmas. And then I was drinking a, my coffee, like latte or whatever, that day. So, and this is day 8. It just says #life. Picture of our tree and our stockings all up, our little tree with all the handmade ornaments that the kids made over the years, some of the decor pieces, and I just put slow down and enjoy. That was my focus for December this year. And then day 9, never give up. So it's just a picture of my work desk. Day 10, This was just of my final grades. It just says imagine. Is there a pocket in this one? No. Day 11, I made cinnamon rolls for the family. It just says good eats, favorite, let's eat. Life is a collection of moments. And then day 12, I got my hair done at the beauty shop. And so I took a picture there of that. This is also my sister's birthday. And then on day 13th, I ordered this off of Amazon, the Sangria Senorio. It's a non-alcoholic sangria that I absolutely love, and the only place that you can get it is like Arizona or New Mexico. It's a Mexican drink, and it's so delicious. And yes, he got me hooked on it. So I saw that they had it on Amazon, so I ordered a 6-pack of it. And it came in Amazon order that day, and it's all gone now. This says good vibes. This is all of our stockings hung up on the mantle. This is day 14. Day 15, I put Epic Fun Brothers, plan on it. I put a little diamond here too, because this is where Matt proposed to Yessie. For Matt's birthday, Yessie flew Hunter out to see Matt for his birthday again, just like last year. And that was very special for him, and they got to spend some time together, which was well deserved. This is the 16th, which is Matt's birthday. And this is sweet little Zayden. And it was his 29th birthday. This is their house. So I wanted to make sure that I posted that. The 17th, this is my friend's husband who ended his life. And the 17th was his funeral. And so, I wanted to make sure that I did something, and I just put grow through life, shine on, for my friend. She's the strongest person I've ever met in my life. She's moving on. She's so brave. So brave. I just cherish her. And then this is, on the 18th, we picked Hunter up from the airport, and Jordan came with us, and we ate out at this really nice restaurant, in Chicago. And then this is when we were on our way to pick him up. We're pulling into the terminals. He was in Terminal 2 because he flew American. But so that's pretty much it, and I haven't gotten any further in my December daily, but it's getting there. I still have quite a few pages to go, but like I said, I'll get it done. It's been a very difficult year for a lot of people I know, for our family, for me personally. I think this has probably been the hardest winter I've ever been through. I mean, it seems like it feels like it, I guess. It probably isn't the hardest winter I've ever been through, but it just feels like it at my age, and just everything that's going on right now. It's heavy. There's a lot of heaviness going on right now. There's a lot of bright things around the corner, some wonderful things, and so I'm just trying to get through winter and looking forward to spring, because I don't know if I am the type of person that suffers from like seasonal depression, but I think I kind of do a little bit, because like I could hibernate very easily, just sleep away the days. So I'm thinking that Scott's getting grouchy because he needs me to help him with his math. I wish that like, oh, I don't know what I wish. Okay, well, I hope y'all take care, and I hope to continue on. Maybe I can film a little bit of my scrapbooking in the next day or so. You know, I want to like I said, I want to finish this album next week. I'm hoping to, if I have time. So I've been working a lot, and just I'm a little bit fried. So but y'all take care, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.